Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to find duplicate keywords in Google Ads account. So first of all, log in your Google Ads account and then click on keywords inside the audience, keywords and content section. Here you can find all the keywords, but in your case you might have so many campaigns, ad groups, ads and keywords, so it's very hard to find duplicate keywords. So what we can do, we have to install Google Ads Editor. So simply you can search on Google Ads Editor and install it and link your account. It's very easy. You can find my another video where I'm explaining Google Ads Editor. So first you can see I have 12 account. I'm removing the filter, and these are my keywords. It's just a demo account, so I don't have much keywords. In your case you might have thousands of keywords. So if you want to see your duplicate keywords, you have to click on tools from the menu and then click on find duplicate keywords. Here you have to select keyword scope any, word order any, word order, match type. You can use one by one. Duplicate must have the same match type. Match type means broad, phrase or exact, and duplicates can be different match types and across selected accounts. And then find duplicate keywords. So I got the duplicate keywords, Google Analytics pricing, Google Analytics pricing. But if I scroll little bit, I can find that match type is broad and exact. So both are different. You can make it phrase or you can do any analysis according to this report. So this is how you can find duplicate keywords. So hope you got the point, and if you still have any query you can ask me in the comment box, or you can visit my website techcans.com. Thank you so much.